Here is a very interesting thinking question. Find zeros of the function. Find zeros of the function f of x equals to 3x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. So in these kinds of equations, what we should do is we should take common denominator and then solve. Let's go through the steps involved here. So we have the function which is 3x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. Now, if I have to add them, then I have to have x plus 1 as my common denominator, right? So to make this as a common denominator, that is x plus 1 in the denominator, we have to multiply this term with x plus 1. So we get 3x minus 1 times x plus 1 plus 1. And now we can simplify it after expanding. So we'll apply the distributive property. And so we get 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 1 is plus 3x. And minus 1 times both the terms will be the terms with negative sign. And we already have plus 1 here divided by x plus 1. And this can be simplified. So we have 3x squared. 3x minus x is 2x. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so we'll leave that. And we have x plus 1. Now, this fraction can be written in the factored form. So once we factor it, we can find the solution. So we say find zeros of the equation. Now, finding zeros really mean finding solution of the equation of the roots. And zeros means y is 0. Now, to find 0, I'll substitute y equals to 0 and solve this equation. So we have the equation as 3x squared minus 2x over x plus 1. So I can take x common. So when I take x common, I'm left with 3x minus 2 in the numerator divided by x plus 1. Remember one thing, whenever we have an equation like this, denominator cannot be 0. It's a good idea to write restrictions that x is not equals to minus 1. Correct? So let's put the restriction right here in the top. We say x is not equals to minus 1. Since if x is minus 1, then this is undefined, right? Now, the solutions for this will be either x is equals to 0 or, and I should say, 3x minus 2 equals to 0. You can solve for x. Here x equals to 0 and here x will be equals to, take 2 this side, divide by 3. So these are the two solutions. So our answer is zeros are at x equals to 0 and 2 over 3. So that is the solution for the given equation. Thank you.